Indeed, power is sweet, but to him, as a community, we haven't benefited. That's why we are championing for obomo bwomo Gusii. Ntubwati muchanda gukora gasi na serikali. That's the only way out. Lakini ototaite toende buneke boeke bunomo Gusii. Ekero tokoenda motugali ntotaite nga ni individuals bago benefit. As it stands, totally united as a community. Nechi community chase konchimaite chinguru omo Gusii abwata. So bago tumeke concept ekoro ku divide and conquer. Konyora Ruto chiro bwatiro soro ondenero gose ODM babwatiro arati ono twanya kurwana gatiga, and that's how these big communities thrive. Kiagara mama tenga tobwata na za community will demand for what's ours. As it stands, abantu boka bago benefit are the few young leaders ababalegora. Akiki okororera bago tuguterwa matora abenge sese maeta asobogeni bole chisese nchire chimaeta ase nyangiere jianya komis ande chitimaeti GPS kichigo tumeka cheiko sese choko nyora chire skali montoro maigenya morta yanya korager sese linja anya korbogen eseki kiagran konya konorere. These are young leaders bago choru systematically konyora ruta koiro monto lire mechando gae binyoro ondo moaka gasi onge akomo ono ditogo tenna iganga tata go kwana oikuipu monto lionge agotoita unabona onko bolio morali. Kwa nini watu wanapigana tusikue na obomo bomo Gusii? Na hii si ukabila. Uligere libya example nkere nkoro every time. Iga para una tuacha chigali nechi nyinge challenge para. Toyota Nero, Mercedes, Volkswagen, Fuso. Chigali chonsi chigo tumeka mafuta yamo. Chigo tumeke pare musigali yogo chitene noyo, so the rules are the same. Lakini ekere Toyota ego saleka, eko ira nasi Toyota dealership. Ekere Mercedes ego saleka, eko ira nasi Mercedes dealership kogole spare part. Again to national government bataite, to be precise Ruto, ego bataite ngekere Toyota ya salekire tuwatumia a universal spare part. Ekere Fuso ya salekire guwatumeka a universal spare part. These spare parts cannot fit. Omo Gusii noyo. So we have to unite as a community na hizi ukabila. Kwanza ukorangiana mukao ukoru nyumba, ose ama bwana yako ama ndugu zako. Mkishaelewana mnakuja nje kwa community, mnaelewana. Mkishaelewana mnakuja kama county, mnaelewana. Then you go to the neighboring counties, mnaelewana. Mwamanya kwa national government. That's the only way we can have cohesion.
Igoro gotebanga guikira sai omo Gusii tali obomone. Atunya kulia magendro, siasa na magendro na mbe omo Gusii taracha.
We have really tried based on chikure chichia era ga Nyamira. Clearly 80% woniga to consolidate almost 80%. But we need everybody on board. And by hook or crook we have to be united because there is power in unity. Na unity leaders mbale boniga bale gorali who are thriving on disunity. Our disintegration nere gokora bago thrive. Bono babo etega tokobwatana they will become irrelevant. And that's why they are fighting tooth and nail. Ko make sure nga abande batikalre moina na abande moina. Igen tonkere narra tuatwalre chi spokesman chi nyinge bakamona tuangere gozo. Omwana akonda Nairobi ogwe gasi yokoboko. Onge agokora metienye bere tato gakonyore following Facebook ocha bugero ke spokesman ya yomo Gusii. Onde nere gose nombo gaba na etu orodrenga onyore following ke go bugero ke. This spokesmanship is earned, it's not given. Ne bikorbia ontoroche bikorbia banto iskoga. And there's no way you can be our spokesman or kingpin if you subscribe to a kingpin from another tribe. Timaito gose ekebisi.
Embija kwatero.
Nga bono ne kingpin yomo Gusii, lakini tuwakoletera mangana kwa minyokeli Ruto. How is it so? You should be answerable to omo Gusii. You should not be answerable to any other leader from outside. Kiagara, you are literally forcing us to play second fiddle. Nga no mo nyamato legora, nga tuanya komo emechanda etu. Mo nyamato ga ruetense moto bauti, na intu tuwa ruetense moto bauti.
Right, so boy,